Want to learn how to schedule messages on your iPhone? Stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process. If this guide helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't see it, search for it in your app library. In case it's deleted, simply re-download it from the App Store. Once inside, tap on Automation at the bottom, then hit the plus button in the top right corner. Now, select Time of Day and scroll down to Repeat. Choose Monthly, but don't worry, you can delete it after it runs once. Pick a date, for example, January 8th, and set the exact time, like 1:04 p.m. Next, scroll down and ensure it runs immediately to avoid confirmation pop-ups. Tap. Next, then select Send Message. Type the message you want, such as scheduled, and choose a recipient. You can even add multiple contacts. Once done, hit Done to save the automation. To test, tap the play button in the bottom right, then check your Messages app. You should see your scheduled message sent exactly at the time you set. Simple, right? If you don't need it anymore, just swipe to delete the automation. That's it. If this tutorial was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips.